Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a little pack with me for a weekend getaway. Basically some very basic things that I transfer in this new bag that I got from Zouk. This is one of the new launches. It's called their open tote bag and I got this variant from it. So this is a vegan leather bag. Zouk is a vegan brand, and plus I love how this is. It's like a bohemian style boho bag, but it's so spacious and very good quality. Of course, you guys know I love Zouk bags. In fact, I use them every day, even for my office work, even college days. So this is their open tote bag. I got it in this variant, very classic, simple, elegant, and I'm gonna be packing this bag for a little weekend getaway. Now along with this, I also got Zouk's sandals. I didn't know they have their footwear range, so I got this very pretty one. Like in the monsoon season, it's gonna be super bohemian and pretty. So yeah, if you are interested in buying any of the Zouk products, you can actually use my code to get 12% off extra. I'll put it on the screen and I'll link all of these in the description box below. Do check it out. Now let's start packing it. Usually I just transfer everything from my existing bag into a new bag. That's how easy and convenient it is. So first we are adding my emergency kit. There are like a lot of videos on my channel. You can go ahead and check them out. Now this is very important, especially if you're traveling like for a getaway, for just on the weekend. It's a cutlery set, very useful. I use it like every single day, even when I'm at work. Then a little notebook and pen. This one is from Simba Lifestyle, which is Mridul Sharma's brand. So just carrying a notebook and pen, like this is just a day stuff, nothing more. My mini makeup kit, again there's a video on this, so you can go ahead and check that as well. So like clearly most of the things are the things that I keep in my regular bag. I'm just transferring them. Sanitizer, very very important. This one is from Bath and Body Works. Everybody compliments me on the sanitizer. Little fresh mints. These are the impact mints in the blackcurrant variant. Guys, do try it. Then I've got a little sachet with all of these milk powder, coffee and tea. So yeah, it's just handy. Then another thing that I'm going to be putting in my bag, which is something you guys would have already seen in my other pack with me videos. Like, see, the reason why I show the similar items is because that's what I really use. So this is a new add-on, which is the Plum Body Loving's Vanilla Vibes deodorant. I usually carry perfumes and all, which is there in my emergency kit, but this is something that I'm using lately, so I decided to take that. So you can clearly see the bag is quite spacious and perfect for your everyday traveling. Plus I had got my period, so I'm carrying this plush period pack. It's basically like a pack of two pads, so I'm just carrying it for any emergency. I mean, it's just a day's thing. So then of course my wallet. I really need to get a new wallet. This is something that I've been using for like 1.5 years now, so that's there. After wallet comes some few basic items like power bank. So this is my wireless power bank, so important even if you're going just for a day's trip. And this bag fits in everything. You might feel that it's not organized, but it is organized, especially when you use pouches. It just makes your life so much more simpler. After adding the power bank, then comes another important thing, which are some snacks. So I have some peanuts and a little Nature Valley bar in chocolate variant. So just few like nicks and knacks that you can keep to munch on while you're going. So those are quite essential. Then again, while you're just traveling, you really need wet wipes, and these are the wet wipes but intimate ones, so I can use it down there as well, again from Plush. Very convenient and affordable and very very useful. So like you can see, there are a few things that I add additionally. Now because I was gonna go in a car just for a day, so I'm taking this beautiful sipper from Miniso. I'm not taking any bottle because I think I'll be filling in chai in my thermos bottle. So putting in the sipper, and the sipper fits in so conveniently and in the bag. Is my bag ready. There's got a little closure on the top, so yeah, you can see it fits in everything. It's very convenient, it's not too heavy, and it's very sturdy. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all liked it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.